प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते। सर्वे कुशलिनः इति चिन्तयामि। बहु उत्तमरीत्या भवन्तः सर्वे गतपाठान् श्रुतवन्तः। तथैव अस्माकं पदवीपूर्व विभागतः भवन्तः सर्वे बहु विषयं ज्ञातवन्तः। तत्र एकः विषयः अस्ति, अस्मिन् वर्षे केचन पाठाः त्यक्ताः। Some lessons they have removed. अस्तु, यदा एतद्रीत्या चिन्तयामः तदा आगामि अष्टमी पाठः तत्र त्यक्तम् अस्ति, दशमी पाठः त्यक्तम् अस्ति, तत्सम्बन्धी व्याकरणांशं त्यक्तम् अस्ति। 8th and 10th chapter they have removed. अतः इदानीम् अष्टमी पाठम् अहं न स्वीकरोमि, नवमी पाठं वयं पश्यामः। अस्तु, पश्यतु, यदा वयं भाषाविषये चिन्तयामः तत्र साहित्यं भवति। अस्तु, यत् साहित्यं वयं भाषायां पश्यामः तस्य उपयोगं सर्वदा भवति एव। In all literature we can observe in any language, all literature is very helpful to the human beings. It will improve human beings' life. ಮನುಷ್ಯರ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ತದೇವ अस्माकं साहित्यस्य प्रयोजनम् अस्ति। अतः यदा चिन्तयामः साहित्यम् इति तदा वयं वदामः किं? तदेव वयं वदामः, पश्यतु, एकः पुरुषः अस्ति चाणक्यः इति। केचन श्रुतवन्तः, some people might be heard about this person. चन्द्रगुप्तस्य आचार्यः आसीत्, एकः राजा आसीत्। Yes? One king named as Chandragupta. In his court, Chanakya was the Acharya teacher or priest, we can say. सः अर्थशास्त्रम् इत्युद्ग्रन्थं रचितवान्. He wrote a very nice book called as अर्थशास्त्रम्. अद्यापि चाणक्यनाम्नि प्रसिद्धः नीतिश्लोकानाम् अनेके सङ्कलितग्रन्थाः उपलभ्यन्ते. Now also we are getting so many books of Chanakya which is going to give so many moral values to this human being. ते वृद्धचरणाख्यं चरणाख्यनीतिसारः लघुचाणक्यं चाणक्यस्य नीतिदर्पणं राजनीतिदर्पणम् इत्यादि प्रमुखाः. These are the very important books which were written by Chanakya. चाणक्यस्य अपत्यम् अतः चाणक्य इति प्रसिद्धः. चणकस्य अपत्यं, Chanakas son, this person, that's why called as a Chanakya. कौटिल्यः इति कुटिल गोत्रोत्पन्नात् विष्णुगुप्तः इत्यपि नामान्तराणि सन्ति. Because of his father Chanaka, this person called as Chanakya. Same way, Kutila Gotrotpanna, his Gotra, his family name is Kutila, so that person called as Kautilya. Same way, this person also known as Vishnugupta. चाणक्य नीति ग्रंथे सप्तदशाध्यायः 103 श्लोकाः सन्ति. Chanakya's Niti Grantha, that moral book, that सप्तदश अध्याय 17 अध्यायस् आर् देर्, चैप्टर्स् आर् देर्, शतत्रय अधिक श्लोक, मोर् देन् 300 श्लोकास् आर् देर्. कौटिल्यार्थशास्त्रः आधारेण निर्मितः कामन्दकीय नीतिसारः. From that only one more book we are getting, that called as कामन्दकीय नीतिसारः. महाभारतस्य शान्तिपर्वणि कामन्दकस्य उल्लेखः वर्तते. See that in Mahabharata also this is mentioned, means before that this came. कामन्दकीय नीतिशास्त्रे 20 सर्गाः 36 प्रकरणानि सन्ति. In that 20 sargas, that is 20 chapters, and 36 is 36 prakaranas are small subtitles are. Sri Chandeshwara Rajaniti Ratnakarasya Karta. Rajaniti Ratnakara. There is one more book. Who wrote? Sri Chandeshwara. मिथिला राजस्य भवेश्वरस्य आदेशेन राजनीति रत्नाकरः विरचितः. मिथिला राजस्य भवेश्वरस्य. Mithila Raja told that, right? With that the inspiration, motivation, this person wrote. Etena Raja Harish Simha Devasya Shasanavadhau Chandeshwaraha Mahasandhi Vigrahitaha Asat. He got very good post in that court. Saha Prad Vivagha Padamapi Aganchaka. He was a king, judge that court. Asya Jivitavatihi Trayodashi Shatakasya Antima Bhagaha Chaturdashi Shatakasya Atma Bhagaha iti Jnayati. So many people are telling this Sri Chandeshwara is living in Trayodasha, 13th century, end of that 14th century beginning. At that period, this person lived. Asmin Rajaniti Ratnakare Shodash Tarangaha Vidyanti. There is 16 Tarangas, 16 chapters there. Edasaram Kimartham Vadami. All these, why I am telling? Because, see, these nitis, these moral valueful shlokas are there. Yes, from these books, they have collected some very valuable sentences. That only we are getting new lesson, 9th lesson, 9neya पाठा. तदेव वयं वदामः नीतिसारः इति. पश्यतु, चाणक्यनीतिसारः, कमन्दकनीतिः, राजनीतिरत्नाकरः. From these 3 books, they have selected some shlokas given in this lesson. पीठिका, introduction. नीतिसारः नाम लोकानुभवसारः. नीतिसार means the experience of this universe. संस्कृत साहित्ये नीतिश्लोकाः विपुलाः उपलभ्यन्ते. In this Sanskrit literature, we are getting so many niti shlokas, moral lines. Tesham adhyanena manaha ullasa. Yes, by studying those lines, our manas, our mind, will refresh. Yes. Te manava jivanasya samunnataye buddhi vikasaya cha prabhavanti. Te nama ke? Te nama niti shastra granthaha. Those books. Manava jivanasya samunnataye buddhi vikasaya cha. Yes. Human beings' development and to growth of the buddhi or mind, intellectual one. Yes, in that it is very effective one. Ete shlokaha Chanakya nititaha Kamandaka nititaha Rajaniti Ratnakarataha cha svikritaha. These shlokas selected from Chanakya niti, Kamandaka niti, Rajaniti Ratnakara. These 3 books, these shlokas are already selected. Then, पाठस्य आरम्भं कुर्मः. एकेनापि सुवृक्षेण पुष्पितेन सुगन्धिना वासितं ತದ್ವನಂ ಸರ್ವಂ ಸುಪುತ್ರೇಣ ಕುಲಂ ಯಥಾ. ಬಹು ಸುಂದರಂ. ಪಶ್ಯ. ಏಕೇನ ಅಪಿ ಸುವೃಕ್ಷೇಣ ಪುಷ್ಪಿತೇನ ಸುಗಂಧಿನಾ ವಾಸಿತಂ ತದ್ವನಂ ಸರ್ವಂ ಸುಪುತ್ರೇಣ ಕುಲಂ ಯಥಾ. किं भवति? अस्तु. एकेनापि सुपुत्रेण श्लोक अन्वयः कुलं यथा तथा पुष्पितेन सुगन्धिना सुवृक्षेण तत् वनं सर्वं वासितम्. By one Suputra, very good character, son or daughter. Yes, Kulam, full family. Yes, what is going to happen? Very nicely, getting name and fame. Same way, tatha Pushpitena Sugandhina. Yes, very nice, fragrant flowers are there. Yes, in so many trees. That fragrance is spreading whole forest. Spreading into whole forest. That's why Suvrikshena Tatvanam Sarvam Vasitam. That forest going to be very fragrant forest. Okay. चाणक्य नीति अध्यायः तृतीयं श्लोकः 14. अग्रे गच्छामः. अग्रे किम् अस्ति? अधमा धनमिच्छन्ति धनं मानं च मध्यमाः उत्तमा मानमिच्छन्ते मानो हि महतां धनम्. पश्यतु, वयं जानीमः धनं धनं धनम् इति अस्ति. सर्वत्र धनं धनं धनं. धनं नाम किं? धनं नाम मनी. अन्यदेकम् अस्ति मानं. मानं नाम किं? मानं नाम गौरवं, रेस्पेक्ट. अस्तु, रेस्पेक्ट. अधमा धनमिच्छन्ति. That all persons are adhamas. Adhamas nama not good persons. Those persons dhanam icchanti. They want only money. They are seeing only money, money, money. Dhanam mananja madhyamaha. Madhyamaha, average people are average people. Those people, yes, icchanti, wishing. What they are wishing? Dhanam, manam. Money also want. Manam, gaurava, respect also want. Uttama manam icchanti. Mano hi mahatam dhanam. Uttamas. That means great persons. Manam icchanti. They want respect. Mano hi mahatam dhanam. Pasha. Adhamaha dhanam icchanti. Yes, low people will think about only money. Madhyamaha dhanamanam cha icchanti. Average people want to get money and respect also. But uttamaha manam icchanti. They want only respect. Manahi mahatam dhanam, for uttamas, for good persons, for great persons. Mana only money, mana only the wealth of their life. ಅಷ್ಟು. ಅಧಮರು ಹಣವನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಚ್ಛಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಧ್ಯಮರು, ಒಂದು ಎವರೇಜ್ ಜನರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಹಣವನ್ನು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಉತ್ತಮರು ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಚ್ಛಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಉತ್ತಮರಿಗೆ ಮಾನವೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಸಂಪತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. अत्र किञ्चित् विशेषः अस्ति, पश्यतु। कः विशेषः? भाव अनुवादः। पश्यतु, श्लोक अन्वयः, भाव अनुवादः, किञ्चित् व्यत्यासः अस्ति। There is a slight difference between Anvayartha and Bhavartha. Anvayartha means which and all words given in the shloka, those words will we are using and we are telling something about that shloka. We are rearranging the words of that shloka. But Bhavanuvadana, we are summarizing. We are little bit explaining about that. Yes, a little bit clearing the concept which is told in that shloka. Yes, the first shloka is clear, very easy one. There is not much more difficulties, but second shloka requires summary also. We'll see now. Ye dhanam icchanti te adhamaha. Which person want only money, that person called as adhamas, bad persons or low persons. Ye dhanamanam icchanti te madhyamaha. Which and all persons want respect and money, those called as madhyamas. E manam icchanti te uttamaha. Which and all persons want mana, respect, they called as uttamaha. Yataha, because mahatam dhanam manaha, very big, great wealth is respect. Maharajanam dhanam abhimanaha iti bhavaha. Maharaja king is theirs dhana, money is abhimanaha, respect, self-respect. Iti bhava. That is the main intention to tell this shloka. Okay, we'll go forward. Okay, yes. तृतीयं श्लोकं श्रुत्वा धर्मं विजानाति श्रुत्वा त्यजति दुर्मतिं श्रुत्वा ज्ञानमवाप्नोति श्रुत्वा मोक्षमवाप्नुयात्. श्रुत्वा श्रुत्वा श्रुत्वा. What does it mean श्रुत्वा? Shruva means after listening. After listening dharma, vijanati. Vijanati nama able to understand. Gottagate. पश्यतु, वयं जानीमः वेदः, वेदाः अति प्राचीन प्रथम साहित्यमस्ति. वेदस्य अन्यनाम अस्ति श्रुतिः. श्रुतिः श्रुत्वा, after listening Vedas, dharmam vijanati, isn't it? They know the good path. Shrutva dharmam vijanati. After listening the Veda, Purana and all those things, so many things, dharmam vijanati, which is good, which is bad, we can able to understand. Shrutva dharmam durmatim tyajati. Pashat. Good things we are getting and which and all bad things are there in our mind. Durmati, bad mind. Tyajati, we are living. Shrutva jnanam avapnoti. By listening those things, we are getting knowledge. Shrutva moksham avapnuyat. After listening, we get the moksha. What does the meaning of moksha? Moksha means we are reaching to ultimate truth. Yes, that level we call as a moksha. That one we are getting. Yes. Okay. Now, आप्तवाक्य श्रवणात् श्रवणा अनंतर धर्मज्ञान दुर्मति त्याग ज्ञान प्राप्ति मोक्ष प्राप्तिश्च भवति इति भावः। श्रवणज्ञान आप्तवाक्यश्रवणेन। भाव समराइजिंग आप्तवाक्यश्रवणात् श्रुत्वा, that word is, we are splitting into so many words, we are getting like this: आप्तवाक्यश्रवणात्. आप्तवाक्यश्रवण नाम किम्? Which person is telling the truth, that person called as a apta. There's vakya shravana. After listening, shravana anantaram dharma jnanam bhavati, which is good, that knowledge we are going to get, that we can able to understand. Durmati tyagaha, bad thoughts are going away, we are living, we are forgiving. Jnana prapti, we are getting the knowledge. Moksha prapti, we are getting the ultimate truth, attaining that stage. Iti bhava, like that here they are explaining. Okay. Kama krodhau tatha lobham swadam shangara kautuke ati nidrati seve cha vidyarthi ashtavarjayet. Vidyarthi, he ashta varjayet, should leave, should give up. Which 8 things students should leave? Kama, krodha, lobha, swada, shringara, kautaka, atinidra, anantaram atiseva. Astu? Question. Kim kim bhavati iti. Vidyarthi students. Kama krodhau, kama and krodha. What is the meaning of kama and krodha? Lust and anger. Lobha, greediness. Swadam, tasty things. Yes, should not think about sweets, all those things continuously. When you will get it and leave it. Okay. And shringara, shringara nama decorating things. Yes, thinking always about the decorating things, that should not be there. Kautaka, more eagerness, eagerly want to know that, want to know this, that more eagerness should not be there. Atinidra, that means more sleeping, that should not be there. Atisevi, what is the meaning of atisevi? Atisevi nama, see, some students, we are observing that what students are doing, bodybuilding they are doing. And they are taking care more and more about their body. Yes, save they are doing for their body. That should not happen. See, if you are doing all these things, 8 things, you are spending so many time along with that. You are not getting sufficient time to study. That's why Chanakya is telling these 8 things should be, should give up by all students. I hope you will do this, isn't it? Okay. Idani asya bhavam pashyamah. Vidyarthi kamaha krodascha lobham swadam nama ruchi, taste. Shringaraha kautukam kutuhalam curiosity. Atinidra atiseva cha iti ashtavarjaya. You should leave all these things. Okay. इदानीं अग्रे गच्छामः. अग्रे तत्र पञ्चम श्लोकः अस्ति. बहु सरलं सुन्दरं श्लोकम् अस्ति. तदेव यथा धेनुसहस्रेषु वत्सो गच्छति मातरं तथा यच्च कृतं कर्म कर्तारमनुगच्छति. पश्यतु, यदा वयं कार्यं कुर्मः तदा अस्माकं प्राचीनं नाम अस्माकं ज्येष्ठाः उक्तवन्तः, देवः पश्यति तस्य फलं ददाति. Yes, so many times when we do some work, that time elders will tell, yes, see, God is saying, God is going to give the result of that. Same thing explained in this also. Yatha, Is the meaning of yatha? Yatha raja, tatha praja. How the king, like that, the citizens. Yatha dhenu sahasreshu vaso gacchati mataram. Yes? Thousand and thousand cows are there. Dhenu sahasreshu. So many cows are there. Yatha vatsaha, how a calf, a small child of cow. Mataram gacchati. Yes, immediately that small cow can able to identify her mother in that big crowd of cow. Tatha, like that only. Kritam. Kritam nama, which only done. That one's result. Yes, kritam cha yat karma kartaram. Yes, doer, which work he has done. Yes, that karma nama, that work's result. Anugacchati, going to follow us. Atra upamalankara. Yatha, tatha. They are comparing each together. Understood? एतद्रीत्या बहु उत्तमरीत्या तत्र विवरणं दत्तम् अस्ति. इदानीम् अग्रे गच्छामः. अस्तु, तत्र किमस्ति इत्युक्ते धेनुसहस्रेषु यथा वत्सः मातरं गच्छति एव यत् कृतं कर्म कर्तारं तत् अनुगच्छति एव धेनूनां सहस्र धेनुसहस्र समासः अस्ति. अस्तु, बहु सुलभम्. अस्तु, अग्रे गच्छामः. तदेव अग्रिमश्लोकः अस्ति. मनसा चिन्तितं कार्यं वाचा नैव प्रकाशयेत् मन्त्रवत् रक्षयेत् गूढं कार्ये चापि नियोजयेत्. अस्माकं मनसि चिन्तनम् आगच्छति, बहु विशेष अंशाः आगच्छन्ति. So many special things will come in our mind. That time what we have to do? We have to keep it secret. First we have to use that. First we have to succeed in that. Then we have to. That only they are explaining here. See, manasa chintitam karyam, which is all you thought in your mind. Na eva prakasham, you should not exhibit. Mantravat gudam rakshi, like a mantra. Yes, when we tell mantra, we will tell very secret, without make other listen that. Like that only, very secretly we have to keep with us. Apichaka ye niyojayet. Yes. So after, till that karya, that fulfill that karya, niyojayet, appointing that karya. Yes. All these things very, very important to reach our success. Okay. Now we'll move forward. कामधेनु गुणा विद्या काले फलदायिनी प्रवासे मात्र सदृशे विद्या गुप्त धनम स्मृतम. What they are telling? Kamadhenu. What they are telling? Vidya Kamadhenu guna akale faladayini pravase matra sadrishi vidya dhanam smrutam. Vidya, which knowledge we are getting, that knowledge has the quality of Kamadhenu. What is the meaning of Kamadhenu? Kamadhenu means which and all we wish in any time it will give. That we call Kamadhenu. Yes, holy cow. Akale phaladayini. Akale nama in particular time. Akale nama in all time. Yes, in all time. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥವಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಕಾಮಧೇನು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಕೂಡ, ಜ್ಞಾನವೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥವಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಪ್ರವಾಸೆ ಮಾತೃ ಸದೃಶಿ. ಪ್ರವಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಈ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮಾತೆಗೆ, ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿದೆ. ತಾಯಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಆರೈಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಆ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಆರೈಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌ ಮದರ್ going to take care about her child, like that only this vidya, this knowledge going to take care about us. That's why when in student life, in childhood days, everybody should study properly. Yes, you should be very strong, yes, with the knowledge. That's why here mentioning. Yes, if you are strong enough with the knowledge, definitely in future, yes, in future you are going to get what you want. That only Kamadhenu. If you are not taking very seriously that studying and all, in future you are not going to get Kamadhenu. You won't get which and all you want. Yes? Vidya Gupta Dhanam Smrutam. By seeing all these examples, finally they are concluding this Vidya, this knowledge, Gupta Dhanam, very secret, hidden wealth in a human being. Astu? Agriculture. Vittena rakshate dharmo vidya yogena rakshate mruduna rakshate bhupaha sastriya rakshate griham. Telling dharmo vittena rakshate. Dharma, dharma nama, one meaning is religion, another meaning is good path. Yes, religion, good path and all going to protect by vitta, by the money. Yes, for example, see, when one meaning is a dharma means donating to other, that time money required. Yes, vidya yogena rakshate. Yes, vidya, knowledge, going to be protected by yoga. Yoga nama, practicing. See, just listening in class not enough. Later you have to practice, you have to implement in yourself. At that moment only vidya going to protect you. See, bhupaha mruduna rakshate. Bhupaha, nripaha, king. How can be protected by? You can protect by mruduna, softness, politeness. If a king, yes, king means always powerful. When power is coming, definitely so many kings lost their politeness because of that power. But still, one king is showing the politeness, that means that king is great. That's why that politeness is going to protect that king. Yes, because of that politeness, everybody cooperate with that king. Finally, he is successful in his work, in his duty, that is protecting whole country. Sastriya griham rakshate. Sastriya, sastriya nama uttama kula sampanna mahila. Yes, good character female or woman. Yes, going to protect a house. That's why one more thing is here. Grihini griha uchyate. Grihini, which woman is there in one house. Yes, how she is, like that house is. Okay, ಹೇಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗೃಹಿಣಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಆ ಗೃಹ, ಆ ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರ. ಅಗ್ರೆ ವಿಷಯ. ಧನಹೀನೋ ನ ಹೀನಶ್ಚ ಧನಿಕಃ ಸ ಸುನಿಶ್ಚಯಃ ವಿದ್ಯಾರತ್ನೇನ ಯೋ ಹೀನಃ ಸ ಹೀನಃ ಸರ್ವವಸ್ತುಷು. ಬಹು ಸುಲಭ. ಯಹ ಧನಹೀನಃ, which person doesn't have money, okay, that person is not a poor person. Okay, that person is not poor person. Dhanahinaha na nirdhana. Means that is not a poor person. Sahacha dhanikaha sunishchayah. Definitely that person is a very rich person in his knowledge. Yaha vidyaratnena hinaha. Which person is without knowledge, without a pearl like a knowledge. Saha sarva vastu shuhinaha. That person lost everything. If he has a lot of money also, no use. Astu agricha. Vishaya mishalobhena manah prerayatindriyam tannirundhyat prayatnena jite tasmin jitendriyah. किं भवति विषयामिषलोभेन विषय आमिषलोभेन मनः विषयांशलोभेन इन्द्रियं प्रेरयति तत् प्रयत्नेन निरुन्ध्यात् जिते तस्मिन् जितेन्द्रियः. अस्माकं मनः, our mind is very not steady one, chanchala, yes, not stable one. Here one time our mind is here, another time is another place, another time is some odd place. Like that, our mind is going here and there. Manaha vishayamisha lobhena indriyam prerayati. Our sense organs are there, no? Giving inspiration. Do like this, do like this. Yes, think about that, think about this. Tat prayatnena nirundhyat. That one with the prayatna, with the trying, we have to control that. Jite tasmin. Upon that, we have to get victory. That a person called Jitendriya. Okay? Kamandakiya Nitisa. That from Prakarana Ekam Shlokaha Navavimshati. Is that? Agreed. Vak Sundrata Dayadanam Deenobhagata Iti Sangat Satam Sadhuhitam Satpurushavratam. Vak Sundrata Daya Danam Deenobhagata Rakshanam Iti Sangah Satam Sadhuhitam Satpurushavratam. Underlying Vak. Our Vakya. Underlying Sundrita Vak. Very good Vak. Daya. Like Danam. Donate. Deenobhagata Rakshanam. And all poor persons are there. Yes. Not very poor and all there in a difficult situation for them. For theirs, Rakshanam, protecting, Satam Sangha, mingle with good people, Sadhu Hitam, doing welfare for Sadhu's sakes and all. It is Satpurusha Vratam. Those works every human being should do it. Yes, that is the characteristic of good person. Yes. If you are telling very good words, very truthful words, that is one character of good person. If one person is showing some pittiness, courtesy to other, that is also good person's characters. Donating, which person doesn't have anything for them, if you donate, that person called as Satpurusha. Deenobhagata Rakshanam, which person is facing that some problems, leave for them if you help. That is also the characteristic of Satpurusha. Satam Sang, mingling with good people, that is also good person's characteristic. Sadhu Hitam, if you do welfare for Sadhu, that is also good Satpurusha Lakshana, characteristic of Satpurusha. ये प्रियाणि च भाषन्ते प्रयच्छन्ति च सत्कृतं श्रीमन्तो वन्द्यचरणा देवास्ते नरविग्रह त्रिलिंग ये प्रियाणि च भाषन्ते very easy okay see that ये च प्रियाणि भाषन्ते which in all persons very loudly or with full of affection they are talking yes okay so ಏಚ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಣಿ ಭಾಷಂತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನೇ ಅಥವಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನೇ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನಂತರಂ ಸತ್ಕಾರ ಪೂರ್ವಕಂ ಚ ಪ್ರಯಚ್ಛಂತಿ ಇತರರ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಸತ್ಕರಿಸುವುದು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ನೀಡುವುದು ಅನುಕಂಪಿತ ದಾನ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತೇ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ಅವರೇ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ತೇ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ವಂದ್ಯಚರಣ ಅವರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವಂದಿಸುವಂತಹ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನರ ವಿಗ್ರಹ ದೇವ ನರ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ದೇವರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು those people like a gods yes so like a idol murti nara vigraha yes like a murti those people are standing which people are standing which people are speaking truth and giving good treatment when coming to his house and those people are the very rich persons very good characteristic persons like a god that's good anantara bhagavat chintayedarthat simhavaccha parakramet vragavachanulupteta shashavaccha vinishpatet किं भगवत अर्थान च चिंतये बका what means baka that means crane correct ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಾದವನು ಬಕಪಕ್ಷಿಯಂತೆ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿ human being should earn the money like a crane how see that how crane will get food crane will get food by full concentration yes without a single little here and there also stagnantly standing and when wealth or food is come immediately grab for his survival he should do same way you have to wait you should not do any urgency okay we have to wait to gain the money when it will come we should grab we should take yes but we don't want to go like that should not have yes so all these things they are mentioning here bhagavat arthanchan chintayanti artha nama dhanam here in this context simhavat parakramet like a simha like a lion we should show our courage vrikavat ja anulupyena telling vrikavat is like a toladante like a fox okay yes what we have to do vrikavat anulupyeta upayagalannu yochane ಮಾಡಿ some idea some new things we have to think ಶಶವತ್ ಚ ವಿನಿಷ್ಪತೆ ಮೊಲದ ಹಾಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಡ್ಡಿ ಆತಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ದೂರ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಯಸಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ಎಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸಾರಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಎಸ್ We should remove our obstacles, problems, yes, so many things. Then we have to reach our success. How a rabbit saw the reflection inside the well and told the lion, one more lion is there. Like that, which and all problems comes means we have to think about the solution for that. Yes, definitely we'll get the solution. That only here they are explaining very nicely. Dharma hetosthatharthāya भृत्यानां भरणाय च आपदर्थं च संरक्ष्य कोशः कोशवता सदा. Telling कोशवता कोशः सदा धर्म हेतु ಸಂಪತ್ತಿನ ಸಂಗ್ರಹವುಳ್ಳ ದೊರೆಯು ತನ್ನ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು ಸತ್ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿನಿಯೋಗಿಸತಕ್ಕದ್ದು. ಪಶ್ಯತು ಅತ್ರ ಕೋಶವತಾ ಕೋಶಃ ಸದಾ ಧರ್ಮ ಹೇತು. ಕೋಶವತಾ ಕೋಶವತಾ ನಾಮ ಯಹ ಕೋಶಂ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ನೋತಿ ಯಹ ಕೋಶೇನ ಸಹಿತಃ ಅಸ್ತಿ ಸಹ ಕೋಶವತಾ. That person called as king. King has a kosha. Kosha nama treasure. Astu sarve janaha atra dhanam dudati prativarsham. Tax they are paying. That one they are. King is keeping in kosha, in treasure. Okay. After keeping that, what king should do? Sada dharma hetu upayogam karaniyam. Yes. For good purpose, the king should use that money, improve the condition of the people. This king should use those money to improve the economy. Tatha arthāya vrityanam bharanāya ca āpadartham ca samrakshya. Then ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಧನವೃದ್ಧಿಗೂ ತನ್ನ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಳವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಸಲಹುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಆಪತ್ತು ನಿವಾರಿಸುವಾಗಿ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು ಜತನ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕದ್ದು. ವಿನಿಷ್ಪತಿ ಸಂರಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಸಂರಕ್ಷ್ಯ should protect. What should protect? That kosha should protected by the king. Why? Because to gain still more money. For example, one factory, all those things, if king is going to establish, for that he is using money, but once again he is gaining money. For that to gain the money, this treasure is required. Bhrityanam bharanaya, to give the salary for bhrityas, for soldiers. ಸೈನಿಕರಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸದವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಳ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಣ ಬೇಕು. ಆಪದರ್ಥಂ ಆಪತ್ಕಾಲೆ ಅಸ್ಯ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. Yes, in the difficulty time, yes, at that moment this money is required. For that, this money should be protected. Samrakshyaha, protected by the king. Okay, एतद् रीत्या बहु सुंदर रीत्या दत्तमस्ति. अश्वत्थमेकं बीजमन्दमेकं न्यग्रोधमेकं दशदिन्द्रिणीं च कपित्थबिल्वामलकत्रयं च नवाम्रवापी नरकं न पश्येत्. किं वदति? अश्वत्थमेकम्, एकम् अश्वत्थम्, एकं पिचुमन्दम्, एकं न्यग्रोधं, दशतिन्त्रिणीः च कपित्थबिल्वामलकत्रयं च नवाम्रवापि नरकं न पश्येत्. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಟ್ಟರೆ ಆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ನರಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೃಷಿ ಪರಾಶರೀಯಂ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಏಕಂ ಅಶ್ವತ್ಥಂ, ಒಂದು ಅಶ್ವತ್ಥ ಮರವನ್ನು ನೆಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಏಕಂ ಪಿಚುಮಂದಂ, ಪಿಚುಮಂದಂ ನಾಮ ಬೇವು, ಯುಗಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ತೇವೆ ಬೇವು ಬೆಲ್ಲ, ಬೇವಿನ ಮರ ನೆಡಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ one ashwatha tree. Second one, that ಬೇವಿನ ಮರ, tree of ಬೇವು. ನೀಮ್, tree of ನೀಮ್, ವಿಷುಮಂದಂ ನೀಮ್. ಏಕಂ ನ್ಯಗ್ರೋಧಂ, ಒಂದು ಆಲದ ಮರ, ಬನಿಯನ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ದಶತಿಂತ್ರಿಣೀ, ಎಸ್ 10 ಟ್ಯಾಮ್ರಿನ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್, 10 ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡಬೇಕು. ಕಪಿತ್ತ ಬಿಲ್ವಾಮಲಕತ್ರಯಂಚ, ಏನಂತೂ 3 ಕಪಿತ್ತ ಬಿಲ್ವ ಆಮಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೆಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಪಿತ್ತ ಬಿಲ್ವ ಆಮಲಕ, ಸಾರಿ ದಶತಿಂತ್ರಿಣಿ, 10 ಹುಣಸೆ ಮರ, ಟ್ಯಾಮ್ರಿನ್. ದೆನ್ ಕಪಿತ್ತ ಒಂದು ಮರ, ಬಿಲ್ವ ಮರ, ನಂತರ ಆಮಲಕ, ಆಮಲಕನ ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಮರ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೆಡಬೇಕು. ತದನಂತರ ನವ ಆಮ್ರವಾಪಿ, 9 ಮಾವಿನ ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾರು ನೆಡ್ತಾನೋ ಸಹ ಅವನು ನರಕಂನ ಪಶ್ಯ, ನರಕವನ್ನು ನೋಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. A person who plants a peepal tree, a neem tree, a banyan tree, 10 tamarind tree, 1 stone apple tree, 3 gooseberry trees and 9 mango trees in that order will never go to hell. अस्तु, एतद्रीत्या वृक्षारोपणस्य महत्त्वं तत्र दत्तमस्ति. Planting tree is very very important. In ancient days onwards, they are following that. Means now also we have to follow that. एतद्रीत्या अस्माकं पाठस्य सर्वाणि श्लोकाः समाप्तम् अस्ति. इदानीं तत्र भाव अनुवादः एकः अस्ति. भाव अनुवादः तत्र कानिचन वयं दृष्टवन्तः, पुनरपि एकवारं पश्यामः. अस्तु, ये धनम् इच्छन्ति ते अधमाः, ये धनं मानं च इच्छन्ति ते मध्यमाः, ये मानम् इच्छन्ति ते उत्तमाः. यतः महतां धनं मानः, महाराजानां धनम् अभिमानः इति भावः. आप्त वाक्य श्रवणात् श्रवणानन्तरं धर्मज्ञान दुर्मति त्यागः ज्ञानप्राप्तिः मोक्षप्राप्तिश्च भवति इति भावः. विद्यार्थिः कामः क्रोधश्च लोभं स्वादं शृङ्गारः कौतुकम् अतिनिद्रा अतिसेवा च इति अष्टवर्जयेत्. धेनुसहस्रेषु भावस्सह मातरं गच्छति एव, यत् कृतं कर्म कर्तारं तत् अनुगच्छति एव. अकाले फलदायिनी विद्या कामधेनुना देशान्तरगमने मातृसदृशी गुप्तधनम् इति स्मृतम्. तत् काले कालेपि फलदायिनी, अतः कामधेनुना विद्या. कामधेनो गुणाः यस्यां सा गुप्तधनं संरक्षितधनं भवेत्. अस्तु, धर्मो वित्तेन रक्ष्यते, ಧರ್ಮವು ವಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ರಕ್ಷಿಸಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಯೋಗೇನ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ರಕ್ಷತೆ, ಯೋಗದಿಂದ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡುವುದರಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ರಕ್ಷಿಸಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಭೂಪಃ ಮೃದುನಾ ರಕ್ಷತೆ, ರಾಜ ತನ್ನ ವಿನಯದಿಂದ ರಕ್ಷಿಸಲ್ಪಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ಗೃಹಂ ರಕ್ಷತೆ, ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯರಿಂದ ಮನೆಯು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಲ್ಪಡ್ತದೆ. ವಿತ್ತೇನ ರಾಜ ಧರ್ಮ ರಕ್ಷಿತಂ ನ ಶಕ್ಯತೆ, ಹಣದಿಂದ ರಾಜ ಧರ್ಮ ಮತ್ತೆ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಣದಿಂದ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಚಿತ್ತಸ್ಯ ಏಕಾಗ್ರತಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ರಕ್ಷೇತ್, ಚಿತ್ತ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಬಹುದು. ರಾಜ ಮೃದು ತೀಕ್ಷ್ಣ ಸಮ ಇತಿ ದಂಡತ್ರಯ, 3 ದಂಡಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಯಾವ ರಾಜ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನೇ ರಕ್ಷಿಸಲ್ಪಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುಶೀಲಯ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ಗೃಹಂ ರಕ್ಷತಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯರಿಂದ ಮನೆ ರಕ್ಷಿಸಲ್ಪಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಧನಹೀನ ನ ಹೀನ. ಧನದಿಂದ ಹೀನನಾದವ, ಧನ ಇಲ್ಲದವನು ಹೀನ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ದರಿದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಹ ಧನಿಕ ಚ ಸುನಿಶ್ಚಯ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಅವನು ಧನಿಕನೇ, ರಿಚ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಯಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರತ್ನೇನ ಹೀನ ಸಹ ಸರ್ವವಸ್ತುಷು ಹೀನ. ಯಾರು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಹೀನನಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಂದ ಹೀನನಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮನಃ ವಿಷಯಾಂಶ ಲೋಭೇನ ಇಂದ್ರಿಯಂ ಪ್ರೇರಯತಿ ತಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನೇನ ಹಿತೇ ಜಿತೇಂದ್ರಿಯ. ಯದ್ ಮನಃ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನೇನ ನಿಯಮಯತ್. ಯಾವ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣದಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತದೆ, ತಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಜಿತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಜಯಿಸಿದಲ್ಲಿ, ಮನಸ್ಸು ಜಿತೆ ಸತಿ ಜಿತೇಂದ್ರಿಯ, ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಜಯಿಸಿದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ವಿಕ್ಟರಿ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಮನಸ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಜಿತೇಂದ್ರಿಯ. ಸತ್ಯವಚನಂ ದಯಾದಾನಂ ಶರಣಾಗತ ರಕ್ಷಣಂ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಂಘ ಸಾಧುಹಿತಂ ಇತಿ ಸತ್ಪುರುಷಾಣಾಂ ಕೃತಂ. Good persons doing work, everyday doing work is this. Which one? Satyavachan, telling truth always. Daya, that means pity. Danam, donating. Sharanagata is surrendering. Rakshanam, protecting. Sajjana Sangha, mingling with the good person. Sadhuhitam is welfare or doing good work for good person. All these the characteristic of Satpurusha. ಏಚ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಣಿ ಭಾಷಂತೆ ಸತ್ಕೃತಂ ಚ ಪ್ರಯಚ್ಛಂತೆ ವಂದ್ಯ ಚರಣ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತಃ ನರರೂಪಾಃ ದೇವಾಹತೆ. ನರರೂಪಾಃ ದೇವಾಹತೆ. Those people called as in the form of human being, those people are called as gods. Which people? ಪ್ರಿಯಾಣಿ ಭಾಷಂತೆ ಸತ್ಕೃತಂ ಚ ಪ್ರಯಚ್ಛಂತೆ. Yes, nicely, politely they are talking and giving very good treatment to others. Arthan Bhagavat Chintaye, we should think about the money like a crane, Simhavataja Parakrami, like a lion, we should show the courage. Vrikavaja Anulupyante, yes, like a fox, we have to think, ideas we have to make. Shashavataja Vinishpati, like a rabbit, yes, we should solve our problems. Okay, Bhagavakshi Yatha Masyanam Grahani Ekatraya Sada Chintayati. How crane is continuously thinking to eat about matsya, fish. Like that only artha sanchaya chintanam karaniyam. We should think how to collect the money. Then simhayata nirbhayena savadhanena shatrum akramati. How lion without any fear, with steadily is going and attacking the enemy. Like that only we should, yes, go against the enemies. Vrikaha yatha apaye palayate tatha parte. How, yes, fox is running away from that place when dangers comes, like that we have to do. Shashaha yatha ullangya anishtam nivadya ishtam praptam. How rabbit is, yes, going, using his mind and getting the good things, like that we have to do. Koshavata nirvena koshaha sada dharmacharnaya. Which person, which king has kosha, treasure, that treasure is used to do the good things. Tatha, and artha sanchayaya, to collect some other money, he is using this money. Sevaratanam palanaya, which and all person working there for them, giving money from this. Apan nivaranaya, to remove the apat, dangerous situation, cross that situation. This kosha, this treasure should be protected. Samrakshi. Yaha ekam ashwattam ekam pichamandam imbapursham ekam nyagrodham tindrinicha dasha cha kapitham bilva amalakam trayam nava amrancha aropayanti saha narakam na pashyati. एतद्रीत्या वयं बहु सुलभरीत्या वयं अस्य पाठस्य चिन्तनं. तदनन्तरं शब्दार्थं दत्तमस्ति, अनन्तरम् एकवाक्येन, अनन्तरं पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तरं ददातु सर्वम् अस्ति. तदनन्तरं द्वित्रिवाक्यैः पाठानाम् उल्लङ्घ्य अभ्यासः अस्ति. मञ्जूषातः सूक्तपदं जित्वा लिखिता अस्ति। एतत् सर्वं सम्यक् रीत्या पठित्वा उत्तराणि लिखित्वा अस्माकं कृते प्रेषयन्तु। सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादः।